Hey, it's morning here. The sun is shining. Hello everyone. It's Bobo here and welcome back to my daily vlog. Here I am in Sanur and this street is called Donald Tumbling Street. In today's video I'm gonna give you a villa tours and this villa is called SARI villa. Without further ado, let's go. We'll show you the street situation a little bit before I showing you the villa. And let's check out this one. This one there's E restaurant. This is the menu of the year. You can order snapper, prawn chili, chicken sweet sour, shrimp and rice noodle in pot. I don't see the price in here. And this restaurant is still closed. And right here there are some sign here for hotel and villa like Bumiayu Hotel, Bumas Hotel, Rita Homestead and Sanur House. Anyway, let's continue to walk. And right here is Uluwatu handmade Balinese lace, and this is the shop. Wow. It seems they have pretty good stuff, beautiful dress, very nice material. So if you're around, you can check them out. Japanese cuisine across the street. Opening May 15th, discount 50%. Then Starbucks. And then over here is China collection. Pagi Pak. Ya. Apa kabar? Ya, baik-baik. And up here is Mona Lisa Cafe. Yeah, this cafe is example. Warung Steak, Sanur Bali, the place is open. Let's check out what they have in here. You can get medium breakfast 55k, big breakfast 60k, sandwiches, burger, light meals available here. Prices range from 55k to 75k. Selamat pagi. Apa kabar? Udah buka? Hey, what's up? Hey. Nice scooter. And across the street is the village. Let's see what it says. I don't see any sign. Look like it's a restaurant. So SARI Villas is across the street. The sign is over there. Let me walk crossing the street. Alright, so this is the entryway to that villa. I want to share the sign first. So the sign is Aman SARI Villa and sarivillasanur Beach. So there are two different villas, but it's the same property or the same owner. Let's take a look and check it out. This is the security check. Ozzy. G'day.
Very good. There you go.
Very good. How's your morning?
What?
How's your morning?
Excellent.
Excellent. All right, let's go. So this is the entryway to the villa, and you can see the sign over there, SARI Villa. Welcome to SARI Villa, everyone. And this one here is breakfast area, and the front desk is over there. And this is the swimming pool. Pretty nice. Next to breakfast area, and you can find there sunbath with a wooden table. And the room is over there and upstairs as well. So let's check out the room. Alright guys, it is time to share the room, and the room number is 2206. And this is the door. Let me push the door. Anybody home? The door is opened. Well, to my left over there is the bed. King size bed. Beautiful pillow. It has some pants. And very nice lamps. 2 nightstands. Then to my right over here is a desk with a large mirror over there. Hey, that's me. And then flat screen TV here mounted on the wall. There is one painting over there as well. And this is some storages. And then you can find here 2 bottles of mineral water, 2 cups, kettle. This is the fridge, small size. Then next to the fridge is the closet with mirror on it. Let me open it up. So the closet is opened, and there is a safety box over there at the bottom of the closet. Let me close it again. And there says what it looks like from this side. There is one lamp or a light on the ceiling, and right here it has such a big window so you can get natural light. Let me walk into the bathroom. This is the bathroom. And this is the toilet paper over there. There is a hose as well. And this is the floating shelf for your towel. Again, large mirror here. I believe this is hair dryer. And you can find here toothbrush, soap, single sink. And then over here is a rain shower. There is a bathtub here. It's pretty large and pretty deep. And next to the bathtub is outdoor area. Let's check out the outdoor space. The door is open. Welcome to outdoor space, everyone. You can find here towel rack or something to dry your clothes after you wash it. And out there you can find there is one wooden chair, one plane, and it's open air, natural light. Well, everyone, this is it. My room tours for today. Hopefully you'll enjoy this. And as per usual, I want to say thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, everyone, and don't forget to keep smiling.